Okay, everybody, this is the conclusion. Couple of fuck ups, but nothing that I can't fix myself. First of all, the tank is sloped in a little bit. Chuchia fangule. You can see that right there. That's the foundation. They were nice enough to take the asbestos tiles off. I don't like the way the bricks are.
You scared me. Where were you?
I have to put a jack underneath here, raise that up and fix the bricks, and then pull them out, and then chuchia fangole. So let's take a look. You got cold coming in, which is your feed. Fucking stupid. Teed off, ½ inch. Goes down there to this valve here, and it goes down to that valve. Goes in, heats up. It's a 4-zone fucking thing, which if I ever hit a 5, someone's gonna have to replace that. The wiring is shitty. I'm gonna have to do that because I was an electrician. Them going like this is ridiculous. Maybe I'll try to like bring it up. I don't know, we'll see. Ooh, everything's still hot. That's it, man. I had him do the basement zone. This is temporary because it's shitty. This is the return for everything. 1, 2, 3, 4 goes back down, and these are the electronic circulators. Grundoffs. I guess they're good and tight, huh? Expansion tank, which is stupid. I don't know why they didn't just, I don't know. I would have moved this over. I don't know. I would have put the expansion tank, like, really? Yo, you don't do that. Main power. You gotta change the box. They didn't move the box. They just fucking spliced what was here. You know? That's fucking cheap. You know, put this box up on the wall and I'll have to do it myself. Power coming down. It's just big ass fucking tank because there's some kind of law stating that it's gotta be lower than the fucking thing, and the new one would sit too high, and who cares. Still a 50 gallon. It's heating it up right now. The guy did a coupling over there. Oh, I gutted this, by the way. Let me get you. I'm just tired. I have so much stuff to throw out. What I fucking should do is move the fucking boiler in the corner over there. Really pissed him off. Oh, I'm sorry. I want this moved. You know, you do a backpack system. Oh, fucking pimples. Oh yeah. So hit pause, zoom in, but you can't. What else do you want to hear? I don't know. I'm kind of tired. Go take a shower. There should be enough hot water. Some kind of fucking shut off valve, I guess. Everything's all flexed out. I guess I'll have to move the wall one day. You know, really nothing down low anymore. Did they do a good job? Yes. Did they do the best job? No. No, because everybody's telling me, oh, the expansion tank shouldn't be in the front like that. When you have, oh, and what I did do, which is JK18 friendly, is, I'll hit this with fucking something. All these things have ball joints. So anything ever goes wrong, I isolate each zone at a time. But there's little things like this bolt is crooked. And it's not making a seal. If it doesn't leak, yes, you leave it alone. But, I mean, I had everything on for an hour. The whole house is 90 degrees, so I had to put the air conditioning back on. But, I don't know. Yeah, power that comes in. Burner, you got something that goes low voltage. It's a big bug in here. It goes to this thing. It's a McDonald and Miller guard dog, whatever. It goes in that thing, and it with self-cleaning probe. I don't know what that means. This is the pressure of the tank. Maintains 180, but then it's not because it's cold fire, so it's not going to turn on. Then there's some random panel, then there's this fucking random fucking piece of BX here. It's not even on tight. And I got this thing on the side. All these things, which if this is more room, there's your shut off. You have to bleed the system. Turn that, I don't fucking know. Self-bleeding. This goof, it's just constantly dripping. Guess as it gets hot, this thing keeps dripping. Whatever. I'll go upstairs tomorrow. That's fucking hot to touch. Leave this here because you got to use a glove to fix that. That's it. I gotta fix some stuff in the room. This wall, you know, I gotta fix. I don't know if I should bring the wall back or the wall forward. I don't know yet. I'll see. Don't know what's easier. Building it forward from this point on, or taking this wall when I'm bringing it up, but it's loose anyway. That's really it. I'll continue this video another time. Just tired, sorry, because I was gutting this as they were working. Look at the gas another time. Ahem! Ahem! Hey, what's up everybody, XJoe81X. This is a continuation of yesterday. I don't know if this will be a separate video or if this is going to be just a continuation in lieu of, I don't know how long the previous video is when I put it together. So today is the next morning, Tuesday morning. There's no leaks. Not that there would be, but whatever. So the guy came today and he shut the gas off to the boiler and to the hot water tank. He told me to empty the tank with this is the thermostat Lux Pro. Everything has fucking dirt on it. Typical bullshit. Whew. Let me just fucking chuchi afangule. Okay, I'm just fucking sweating. I got the tub running upstairs with hot water because he tells me that he's got to drain the fucking hot water so when the guy comes and inspects, it fucking is empty. I said, oh, okay. So I filled it last night, and then now you get a, right. It's not being emptied because every time you drain it, it's getting filled, but it's not going to be hot. So I got myself a dumpster because while I was gutting the basement, which I might take periodic videos, excuse me, there was just too much stuff. Those are the bags that we started, and this is what I was left with. I started before I videotaped, and then I'm gonna gut the basement ceiling. It's just too much. Some of that wood, if it's straight, you know, and more than 6 feet, I keep. You know, I'm keeping a couple of pieces over there. You never know when you need nice, nice wood. But if it's dirty or mildewy or has a knot in it, then I'm gonna get rid of it. Once again, the guys took the gas meter off. The guys probably went to go get breakfast. They left. Burner King comes back. This guy from the town comes. Go lay down. Go lay down. So now I'm just draining my tank. He says drain it until it starts running cold. Nope. Still hot. I don't know if that makes sense, because run the hot water in your tub, sir, until it gets cold. Okay. He probably has to fire up the gas and make sure that it works properly and all that chuchiafangulness. It's so nice. This thing was off all day yesterday. The house got up to 90 flipping degrees yesterday. I could only test some of the circulators because it went up to 90 right away. They would shut off because the thermostats only go to 90. The fucking upstairs thermostat was like 88. So I got 2 degrees out of it, and before it technically, called for heat. So, you know what? It fired. It doesn't smell like gish. Got this chuchin at 69. And that's it. We'll see what happens today. This is my this is some of the stuff I already put in. Not a lot, 1 bag and a couple of chuchiafangulis. But do you want to go to JK18's house and eat his fucking pussycats? Say yes. Come on. Come on. Show me the teeth. Say it. Yeah, I don't like lying because I'm a tiger. See, this is what you want to do. Ah! Not kitty cat. Kitty, this is a kitty cat. Okay, stop. Chuchiafangu. Gonna start teaching it. Hey, Rugale Rob. Rugale. Tomatoes. No tomatoes. No tomatoes. Alright guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. This is going to be another video. Give you a, actually by the time you see this should be done. These doors should be up, crown moldings in the garage. But knock on wood and fingers crossed, by the time you watch this video, hopefully I'm already chooched this video up on how to install floor and crown molding. What we got? It's still fucking hot. That's spicy tuna. Alright, later.